I'm Madalina. Welcome to my channel. If you've opened this video, you probably want to know how to care for your hair extensions. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video and join our community. So I'm going to start with the beginning. What shampoo is the best shampoo for hair extensions? Most of the time I would recommend the shampoo and conditioner from the brand of your hair extensions, but if not, it has to be sulfate free, paraben free and oil free. The reason for it is because you want to make sure that your tapes, for example, are secured in your hair. Also, the sulfates, they tend to strip the color off, so you're going to get discoloration on your hair extensions. Washing your hair with the right shampoo is really important, but how you wash your hair is important as well. So make sure you put a little bit of shampoo in your palm, you massage your palms, and then you go onto the scalp in between your hair extensions, massaging the scalp so your scalp is nice and clean. After that, you're going to go to the length of your hair extensions. You put a little bit of shampoo and you just smooth down the hair, making sure that the hair is nice and clean. Ideally, when you wash your hair, you want to be in a shower, like standing up, so the water is coming down. Let's say you washed your hair. Now you're taking your towel, you're just going to pat really gentle. You don't want to do any rubbing, again, just to avoid any matted hair. And at this point, you can start drying your hair extensions, or you can also brush them with a special brush for extensions. I would recommend a bristle brush. A bristle brush is really, really good for hair extensions. If there are knots in your hair, you want to hold the extensions up here where the bonds are or the tapes are, and then you just hold the extension and then brush the hair with the bristle brush to untangle it. And when you blow dry your hair and you use hot tools on your hair extensions, make sure that you use the heat protector. That's really, really important. And also, when you dry your hair, the heat from your hair dryer should not reach your tapes, because you want to make sure that your tape is not going to slip off and it's secure. So if you're going on holiday or you're in the sun, you want to make sure that you're protecting your hair. Use a leave-in conditioner with UV protection, because the way the sun dries your skin, it will dry your hair and your hair extensions as well. You also want to make sure that the contact with the chlorine is going to be at minimum, because the chlorine will change the color of your hair extensions, unfortunately. Using also sun cream is necessary when you go on holiday and when you're in the sun, but you also have to be aware if the hair extensions come into contact with the sun cream, it could get a little bit of discoloration and the hair is going to have to be toned after. When using saunas or steam rooms, just make sure that you will protect the bonds and the adhesive in your tape hair extensions. Hold your hair in a ponytail, and just to be aware that the saunas can affect the bonds in the hair extensions. I hope all this information was useful. Let's connect. Follow me on Instagram.